Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I heard that the dress was pretty. So I wanna share my shopping vlog in India. Also finally I try samosa in India, so please keep watching my vlog.
Hello guys, I'm in Lakshmi mode. I wanna try traditional sari in here. So let's go. Hello, namaste. Oh, so beautiful, right?
I didn't have a knowledge of traditional India clothes. I thought sari was dress type of the outfit. So the first plan was to buy sari and change my outfit.
Okay, let's go inside. Wow, so many sari. Oh, can I wear first before I buy? Okay. Okay, thank you. Namaste. Maybe I have to wear first. After that, I wanna buy. So I wanna find some store that can wear first. So let's find. Wow, so many people and really crowded. Found like so many things. I wanna buy clothes in here.
Do you know Guruji Talim? On my way, I found Guruji Talim. I heard that Guruji Talim Ganapati is one of the famous Ganeshi temple handled in Pune. Anyway, I finally found sari shop. They also allow me to try sari before I bought it.
I found here. Hello, can I buy sari? Is there sari? I wanna try sari. Good? Oh, can I change?
I mysteriously thought that I could change right away if I bought only the sari. Anyway, I try sari in here.
What is special in here?
We also have Maharashtrian traditional sarees, which are like this. Paitani we call it.
Oh, it's good. How about white?
White.
Oh, pink white.
Pink white.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, this one. How much?
This one is 1667. Discount price 1200.
1,200?
Yeah.
Oh. Is there cheaper one?
Yeah, cheaper ones is also there. This is 950.
950.
Yeah.
Oh. How much here?
All 1000 plus.
Oh, that's plus.
Yeah, 1000 plus we keep it that side.
Oh.
500, 600, 700 we have. That ranges on the other counter.
Oh, other counter.
Yeah,
Go. Let's go.
Yes.
I wear this one like that.
No. Cotton will be slightly difficult for you to wear because it is stiff,
Yeah.
and any synthetic material will be very free to pleat it, to wear it. That will be easy than this.
Ah, where is
You're getting it? This is stiff material.
Oh.
This will be kindly difficult for you to wear. Go for silky material, soft
Yeah,
material.
soft,
लाइट कलर मधले मला सिंथेटिक मधले 2-4 व्हरायटी दे नागे लाईट कलर हां दे त्यातले हां तो पण त्याच्या
Or
खाली
light color.
light design. See, something like this will be very easy for you to wear. This is just 500. Yeah. This is for 300.
300?
Yeah.
Let's go this one.
Another color? Color are more colors. अजून 300 मध्ये variety आहे. Pink, peach, green, lemon.
Which one is good?
याच्यामध्ये पिंक कलर नाही ना
Pinkish थोडा असा आहे lavender.
This one?
Lavender pink.
ब्लॅक कलर यू ब्लॅक
Yeah, this one is just for 350. Yes.
Good?
तो एक ब्लॅक दे इकडचा या साईडचा सिफॉन मधला रेड अँड ब्लॅक त्याच्या खालचा रेड अँड ब्लॅक हा दे ट्रेडिशनल गुड साडी
Okay, okay.
ओनली फॉर 350.
350? Okay. I want to get this one.
You have to buy the upper part blouse this side. Then you can wear it. But for that you need a changing
How
room.
about set? No set.
No set. We don't keep sets. We keep saris.
This
Another
one also
person
set.
keeps blouses.
बट मेकिंग प्रॉब्लेम
Oh, really?
या
I couldn't change into my sari today, so I have to change my plan. So I'm going to wear sari tomorrow. Instead of the sari, I decide to buy Indian dress and wear it today.
I'm just decide to buy the dress in here. Hello. 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 Okay, let's look around here first. Hello, hello. Hey, Babu. It's only 200. Very good. Good price.
And kurti set 350.
Wow.
Black colors are 200. Don't show.
It's good price, right? Good price.
एक्सरसाइज भेटेल का
Wow. Oh, I wanna try. Oh, yeah, this one. This one is also 200?
Yeah.
Okay, I wanna get this one.
काही गरज नाही.
No fitting? Fitting.
ओके
Ah.
नॉट पण आहे मागं त्याला बांधायला. आणि
कलर एकदाच घालणार आहे
हा ठीक आहे ना मग कलर हे वॉशरूमच्या बाजूला चेंजिंग रूम आहे 5,000 रुपये घेतात चेंज करून हा तिथंच
Okay. Let's change the clothes in here. 300?
या 3.5 2 4 6 8 10 ओके
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Wow, I bought this one. I have to change. Okay? Okay. Change. Okay. Hello. Okay. Well, I don't know how can I change the clothes in here. Finally, I changed my clothes.
कॅन्डल समज नाही
How's it? Good. How's it?
Nice,
I
nice.
changed the clothes.
Nice.
It's good? It's good? I think this is really good price. This one is like 200, right? So I think
अरे भाई
Thank you. Namaste. Okay, let's go. Wow. Wow, so super. I wanna buy something like that good, right? You know? I think this one is good. How much it? 100? Oh! Or 100? Or 100? I think this one. Oh, this one. Hello, hello. Can I get this one? I wanna buy this one. I wanna take now. Ah, you can. Oh, you. Namaste. Good? Good? You good? Okay, thank you. This one also. Wow! Wow, I love this one also.
Show me the
About it's Nairo. It's good? I think it's good. Let's go, let's go.
These days, I really enjoy shopping in India very much.
Hello.
after 10 minutes.
Of course, I wanna buy sari also. Next time, maybe I will get the sari. Hello, namaste.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste. Wow, I really like here because it's really affordable. Oh, okay, let's go. Also, there are so many clothes, so I wanna buy one by one. But you know, I'm really happy because I bought this one and I bought this one. Also, its price is really good, so that's why I bought that. Hello, hello.
I really want to try samosa in India. That's why it's been looking for a place that sells samosa in here.
Hello, what's your name?
Gayatri.
Gayatri. I love Gayatri. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Namaste.
I found samosa on the street.
Hello, hello. Namaste. 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 Wow, here have so many. Namaste. Namaste. Is there samosa? Oh, what is that? What is this? Kachori. Ah, this one is samosa? It's good? Is acha? It's not spicy. Not spicy. Oh, spicy? I don't like spicy. Can I try samosa? One please. Wow, I never tried samosa in India. Okay, thank you. Wow, I found samosa in your hello. What is this?
Chutney.
Ah, okay. Sauce is okay. This one is like really big. What? Hello. Oh, 안녕하세요. Hello. I tried this one for the first time. Okay, let's try. This one is sauce. Like that?
Excuse me? Can I take a selfie?
I love it, this one. This one is famous in India?
Yeah. Yes.
Wow, I love it.
You're from Korea? Oh, wow. You know BTS?
Yeah, I know BTS. You know BTS?
Yes,
You really love BTS? Hello. Namaste. Wow, I really like it. Okay, selfie. Of course. Thank you. They give this one for me. I don't know why I say. Maybe let's try this one later. Bye bye. Namaste. Oh, so good. It's really crispy. I love it.
What is your YouTube channel name?
Tally Korea. That's it. Thank you. 사랑해. 사랑해.
사랑해.
사랑해. I love you. Bye. Thank you. Wow, I really like this one. Today's shopping video is finished. I love India. Also, I love these clothes also. So let's go.